Sara is a teacher. Every morning, she wakes up at 6:30 a.m. Her alarm clock rings and she stretches her arms. It's a new day, she says to herself. First, Sara brushes her teeth and washes her face. Then, she makes her favorite breakfast, toast with butter and a cup of tea. While she eats, she listens to the news on her phone. After breakfast, Sara gets ready for work. She puts on her favorite blue dress and ties her hair in a ponytail. She always checks her bag to make sure she has everything: her notebook, pens, and lunch. At 7:45 a.m., Sara leaves her apartment. She walks to the bus stop and greets her neighbor, Mr. Ali. "Good morning, Sara," he says. The bus arrives at 8 a.m. Sara sits near the window and looks outside. She sees people walking, cars honking, and children going to school. When Sara arrives at the school, she smiles. She loves teaching her students. "Good morning, class," she says as she opens the door. Sara's day starts with energy and happiness. She believes that every morning is a chance to do something good.